How to open Grubhub account. So the very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Grubhub is already installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your app store. Once it is installed on your device, open it. It will land you on this home page. Right here you can see it says sign in with your Amazon account, your Apple ID, Google account or your Facebook account. You can create your account from any of those ID. Let me open it from my Google account. So tap on Google. Tap on continue. Now select your specific account. It will land you on this interface. So right here you can see it says Grubhub is not available in your country. In this case, what you have to do is simply wait for the Grubhub application to make this feature available in your country or the region. Or you can also try using VPN. It might or might not work for you. Once it is available in your country, your account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So this is it, and this is how you can open your Grubhub account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.